Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATIC, says the All-Jamaica Consumer Price Index rose by 2.4% in November 2025. Inflation surged sharply in November as the impact of Hurricane Melissa pushed consumer prices to their highest monthly increase in more than a decade. The main driver of the increase was the price of food. The food and non-alcoholic beverages divisions jumped by 6%, led by steep increases in produce. Prices for vegetables, tubers, plantains, and pulses climbed by more than 19%, with tomatoes, pumpkins, sweet pepper, hot peppers, and cucumbers among the hardest hit. Fruit prices also rose sharply, with the fruit and nuts category up 8.8%, reflecting higher prices for papaya, watermelon, and ackee. Ready-made foods and other food products increased by 16.4%, driven mainly by a rise in the price of a skillet. The Financial Services Commission, FSC, says there were 820 pension plans operating across the industry, holding assets valued at $829 billion as at the end of June this year. Pension coverage also increased by 2% to 174,820 workers, representing 12.1% of the employed labor force. During the period, Jamaica's employed labor force stood at 1.4 million, accounting for 96.7% of those seeking or available for work, prior to the devastation of Western Jamaica by Hurricane Melissa on October 28. Despite the severe impact of the hurricane on the agricultural sector, which directly employs about 250,000 workers, pension statistics were not negatively affected. The FSC explained that the majority of workers in the sector are not enrolled in approved retirement schemes. For the trading period ending December 16, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,516,503 units, representing 28.57% of market sales volume. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with 2,710,743 units, representing 22.02% of market sales volume. EduFocal Limited with 812,980 units, representing 6.60% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 16, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $85.68 million purchased and US $89.35 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.25 per dollar, selling the US at $160.35 and buying the US at $159.10. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.10 per transaction, with selling at $115.71 and buying at $116.81. The British pound yielded Forex traders 71 cents in profits, with selling at $214.72 and buying at $214.01. For our credit report tip of the day, understanding your credit report is one of the most underrated professional advantages you can have at any stage of life. It gives you clarity instead of confusion, helping you catch errors, prevent identity issues, avoid unexpected denials, and see yourself the way lenders do. With that awareness, you can negotiate better terms, reduce interest costs, and make informed decisions around career changes, major purchases, or business opportunities. Most of all, it moves you from guessing to planning and replaces financial anxiety with calm and informed confidence. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.